All right, so good morning. I am here at Harps Lake. This is by recommendation of Wayne K. Outdoors. Never been here before, so it's gonna be a new experience for me. Lake's quiet. There's, other than myself, there's nobody on the lake. It's cold as Hades. It's like 40 degrees out right now, but it's supposed to be up to 60s. Yeah, I figure I'd give this lake a shot. Look how beautiful and quiet this lake is. I'm trying for bass, but I'm gonna see if I can, I don't catch anything really, I don't care. But this is the first time out on the kayak. I finally got it all almost to where I like. I still have to paint it, but yeah, let's get this thing launched and get out on the water. All right, so I'm headed off. I know I'm probably gonna hit the shoreline up a little bit and see if we can get on something there. But yeah, this water is pretty chilly. It's still 49 degrees. I'm gonna troll I'm just gonna troll a little bit to get when I get to my point. But I'm gonna use this monster bass, Rolo. I think it's a Rolo 6. Got it from James at Crankin' and Yankin'. See if we can get on this something with this little crankbait. That'd be cool if we can troll and catch something on this crankbait. But yeah, we're gonna probably head out. Let me see if I get this turned down that way first. And this water's cold. It's really chilly. My feet are freezing. But right now I'm the second loudest thing on this lake. I think first are the geese out there. But yeah, let's get her going. And I know I'm gonna troll, or I'm gonna go to the other side of this lake here. But I got 2 lines trolling now. I got a crankbait on one line, and then I got a jerkbait trolling on the other. And that'd be cool if I could catch something, but I'm gonna get over in the sun. It's pretty chilly in the shade here. But the water temp is holding at 51, so oh wow, it just dropped off big time too. It was sitting at 6 feet, and now it's sitting at 24 feet. So that's a big something to look out for during the summer. All right, so I'm a slow paddler. Give me a minute and I'll get back with you. All right, I just spent the last 10 minutes trying to get rid of this cramp in the fish here. All right, so I got a spinner bait. You know what? Let me try a spinner. Which one? Which rig? I'll try this rig. With the crankbait on it. See if we're getting action on this spinner. Found this spinner at the O'Connell River. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like this monster bass crankbait though. If you look at the front hook here, it's red, and it's supposed to mimic like blood in the water. It's pretty slick, man. Alright. Let's see if we can get something going on this guy. Alright, I got I don't tell you the truth, I don't know what kind of spinner that is. I found it, so, but I got it. Got him. Oh, he got off. Mother of the Lord. I was worried about hitting the my camera. Dang it. All right, let's try it again. Oh, come on, dude. This is a big ass lake. You ain't gotta come by me, man. Just had a nice little hit. I think I'm the weeds right there, though. Got him. Oh, that's a nice fish. Nice little bass. Right, first bass this season. You see it, guys? It's a nice 2-pounder. I got him on the spinner. Well, one bass is better than none, right? Pretty successful day. My main takeaway for today was getting used to the new seat that I put in, and then the electronics. But yeah, it was all right. Caught a decent, about 2.5-3 pound largie. I would have stayed a little longer, but that wind was picking up and blowing me all over the place, even with an anchor. I know what I have to do. I have to fine tune some things on the kayak, but I'll get it all nice and squared away for the next time I go out. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the support. Thank you to James from Cranking and Yanking for the crankbait and the jerkbait. Thanks for Wayne at Outdoor with Wayne K for the spot. I never fished that lake before. So my dog tags are swimming all over the place. I never fished that lake before. Harp's Lake. So it looks like it's going to produce some good bass fishing for sure, and I am definitely going to hit that lake back up. Till next time, love, peace, chicken grease.